that works.
This is intense, guys.
So I just look at you the whole time.
What's it like being a woman at Viking Pump?
Sorry.
We're gonna think a little bit.
That is a great question.
To be honest, it doesn't affect my day-to-day business at all.
How about we switch gears to what's it like being a senior mechanical designer, a foundry buyer?
Sure.
Tell me what it's like to be an FP&A manager at Viking Pump.
Sure, yeah, I'm an FP&A manager at Viking Pump, so it stands for Financial Planning and Analysis. I'm part of the finance team.
It is very fun. I like the modeling part, so I get to use SolidWorks every day, get to see things come to life. It's rewarding, something like just a giant puzzle. Get to work with people on many teams.
What keeps me here is the good benefits, the pension that we have, some of the friends that I've made while working here.
I feel like it doesn't matter what department I reach out to, everybody is willing to be helpful, and people here are just great. Especially the foundry, we like to have fun, but we get a lot of work done. So I really have a great team. Can't emphasize that enough. I've always gravitated towards the manufacturing side. We get an opportunity to kind of forge our own way. Overall, I think when I look for a company to work for, the company, you'd want it to be stable. So Viking Pump has been in business for 100+ years, and it's part of a larger corporation. So Viking being part of IDEX also gives for bigger stability, funding in terms of like investments for Viking Pump to grow their future, and then also career opportunities. So within Viking Pump, but also within IDEX.
When I first started, I was a little nervous trying to get to feel it all out, and then people have started just coming up and talking and made it feel like you're more of a person instead of just a number like some places do.
Everyone is super welcoming. You are qualified to do the job. Everyone is going to listen to you and appreciate you.
I think like once you get here, you're like, you don't really want to leave. Like I don't know. It's just, there's not many places that I think have that, and I think that's cool.